Hi everyone, in this video we will learn about fee structures in alternative investment funds. The total fees paid by investors in alternative investment funds often consist of management fees and a performance fee. Let's understand what management fee and performance fee means. Management fees is a fixed percentage fees that is charged on the asset under management at the beginning of the period. It is usually calculated annually. Plus, it is charged to cover the operational and administrative cost of running the fund. Management fees is calculated as beginning AUM into management fee rate. Now coming to performance fees. Performance fees is calculated as a share of profits that the fund manager receives as a compensation for managing and growing the fund's investment. In short, this fee aligns the manager's interest with those of the investors because manager is also getting an incentive if the fund is performing well. It is also known as incentive fees, carried interest and carry. So no need to get confused if you hear either of the term. It's just the same thing. Performance fee is calculated as excess gain above management fees into performance fee rate. Now, coming to the calculation part to understand the fee structure better. Let's say beginning of the year AUM of our fund A is 100 million, where we have earned a profit of 30 million and our fee structure is 2 is to 20. Here, 2 means management fees which is equal to 2% and 20 means performance fees which is equal to 20%. It is just a way of demonstrating fee structure 2 is to 20. So now let's calculate management fees. As we know, management fee equal to beginning AUM into management fee rate. So our management fee is 2 million. Gross asset value is nothing but the value of the investment after paying the management fees. So to calculate GAV, we will sum beginning of the year AUM and a profit and subtract management fee from this. And here we have a gross asset value. Now we will calculate performance fees. We should know that performance fees is calculated as the excess gain above management fees into performance fee rate. So, to calculate performance fees, we have to subtract management fees from the profit and then multiply it by the performance fee rate. So, going by that, 30 million minus management fees, that is 2 million, into a performance fee rate, which is 5.60 million. Calculating net asset value. Net asset value is nothing but the value of the asset after paying all the fees. So, our net asset value is GAV minus performance fees, which is 122.4 million. Well, fee structure is that easy to calculate, but it doesn't end here. We have different considerations to make, like hurdle rate, high watermark, clawback, and waterfall. So stay tuned for more videos.